Hello, it's Ayda here. Now remember the cat and the alicorn and the reindeer and the rabbit. That page, so let's get it. If you didn't get it, then you'll cut it out and stick it on the one with the alicorn, the rabbit, and the reindeer and the cat. Okay, and let's do a bird this time. Okay, so let's sort of do a thing like that, and then close it, and a little thing like that. And a thing. And a U shape probably, but not quite like a U shape. Okay. And feet like that, little things like that, and 2, 3 little lines and 3 little there, and some hair like that, connected to that. So, they're all friends. And to their hand thing. Okay, and